A segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints and all the points between them, and you name the segment using the two endpoints, and then you make sure you put a segment line over them. Do not put arrows on it. Array. Array is part of a line. Array starts at a given endpoint and goes off in a certain direction forever, infinitely. And when you're naming this array, you pick the endpoint first, so A has to go first, and then the arrow always goes towards the right, and then you say, where's it heading? It starts here and heads towards B, so there's your array. You cannot switch the letters around because B is not the endpoint, and the arrow is never written to the left. Opposite rays. Opposite rays are rays that start from a point and go off in exactly the opposite direction. So if you look here, this would be a great example of opposite rays. We start at S, we go to the right, which would be SR, and we can go to the left, which is SP. Also, P is another great example. We could go PS and PQ. So opposite rays, here's some examples, PSPQ and SRSP. I did want you to notice that you could have named SP right here. You could have named it SQ instead. Both of those are right. The other thing I wanted you to recognize here is parallel lines. So there are two coplanar lines that do not intersect. So this is an example. We use arrows to show that they're coplanar, and in symbolic form, line AB is parallel to line CD. That means parallel. Planes that do not intersect, these are parallel planes. Symbolically, plane J is parallel to plane K. And then skew lines. Skew lines are non-coplanar, should have said non-coplanar, lines that do not intersect and are not parallel. And for the skew lines, this problem said, give an example of what's skew to GH. So GH, in order to be skew, everything in pink is the skew line to line GH. So this is not parallel and does not intersect. This is not parallel, does not intersect. Not parallel and does not intersect. Not parallel and does not intersect. So you would list all four of these separately. Using colors can help you to see this. And that's it.